For today's adult take-it-home craft, we will be building a birdhouse. To make your take-it-home craft, you will need 3 things: the birdhouse kit, which is provided by the Westland Public Library, a glue gun or some other way to keep the pieces together like Elmer's glue or hammer and nails, and finally the optional decorations, which can be markers, stickers, or even acrylic paint. Check that you have all the pieces from the birdhouse kit. You should have a front, a back, 2 roof pieces, 2 side pieces, and the bottom. If you're using a glue gun, let it warm up until the glue is nice and melted. Take one of the side pieces and lay it flat on a surface. Draw a line of glue on one end. Then, take the front of the birdhouse and press it against the glue line. Hold it for about 15 seconds and then let go. Repeat this step with the back of the birdhouse. Before continuing, make sure that both sides are fairly sturdy. Turn the birdhouse on its side. Then draw 2 lines of glue down the front and back of the birdhouse. Place the second side on the birdhouse down and hold it in place for about 15 seconds and then let go. Do your best to line up the sides evenly, as you can move them a little before the glue sets. While the structure is still on its side, draw a line of glue up both the edges. Then place one of the roof pieces down and hold it in place for about 15 seconds. Repeat this step with the other side and let the birdhouse set. Once the roof is set, put glue on both of the bottom edges of the birdhouse. The base will not fit perfectly. Do your best to center it and hold it in place for 15 seconds so it can dry. Once your birdhouse has dried, you can decorate with acrylic paint, stickers, washi tape, or anything else you think might suit it. Hi everyone, and thanks for watching. Make sure to pick up your birdhouse take-it-home craft today at the Westland Public Library. They're limited supply and first come first serve, so act fast. Stay tuned for our next craft.